All right, well, today it wasn't too bad of a first full day of summer. Now, summer came in yesterday around 6:34 Eastern Daylight Time, but this was the first official full day for us, and it wasn't too bad of an afternoon. Some clouds around as we made our way into the day, maybe even a few sprinkles getting closer to Lake Michigan, but for the area, it was a very comfortable afternoon with temperatures mostly in those upper 60s and lower 70s. And by tonight, these clouds will get out of here, we will clear out, and that will allow temperatures to drop off into 40s in some locations for overnight lows. But for the moment, 70 degrees with winds out of the north-northeast at 10 miles per hour. A few clouds out there for us here into Marquette, but with northerly winds, we are seeing our cooler numbers right along Superior. Lower 70s in Marquette as you head farther to the west. Seeing some of those numbers around the upper 60s in Houghton and in Ontonagon, 67 and 68. And 73 down in Ironwood, 73 in Florence and eastward. Our numbers are in the 60s, mostly in Munising and Manistee, 70s as you head here to Escanaba and Ishpeming at 70 degrees. Winds out of the northwest, 7 in Iron Mountain, 14 in Escanaba, and 16 in Marquette. So not quite as breezy as yesterday, but still seeing some wind out there, and it looks like we'll notice that those will calm as we head on into the night. So tonight looks to be another clear and also another quiet evening with mostly clear skies and very light winds. Tomorrow, nice, pretty nice for us. A few clouds as we get into the evening hours, but mostly sunny as we start off the day. High temperatures are around those low to mid 70s, and then a slight rain chance arrives as we head on into tomorrow night and heading on into early Thursday morning. But here's a look at our setup. You can see our next system still off to our west, but it will be approaching us as we go on into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. But for the time being, high pressure is in control across the region. Tomorrow evening, we'll be watching out for that system to come in from the west and farther south. If you by chance have to travel into the southern and the southwestern portion, especially part of the state, there are going to be some stronger storms, and it's going to be a higher chance that they will see some of those stronger storms down there into getting closer to Kalamazoo and also down into Grand Rapids. But for us, mostly just rain, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder as we go on into tomorrow night. Your Futurecast model, mostly clear throughout the evening. We'll watch for the clouds to come in heading on into the afternoon and the evening hours on Wednesday. And then as we go on into Wednesday night, there goes the slight rain chance that will move through the region. It gets in here, and then out of here pretty quickly. We quiet down heading on into Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, seeing more of that sunshine on the way for us. And Friday doesn't look to be too different for us there either. Tonight we'll drop down to 47. A bit cool out there, but not bad at all. Winds mostly on the calm side for a lot of us. Tomorrow, heading into Wednesday, partly cloudy. Winds out of the southeast between 5 to 15 miles per hour. Let's take a look at your highs. 68 in Lawrence at 74 in Ontonagon. Middle 70 showing up in Crystal Falls, Florence, and in Iron Mountain at 70 as you head into Escanaba. Also seeing those lower 70s in Manistee, while upper 60s will show up in Munising and in Marquette. So not too warm of a day for us, but we will be expecting more of that heat as we go later on into the week. Thursday, watching out for that rain, especially earlier in the morning, probably during the afternoon and the evening. We'll start to see things head out of here. Friday topping off at 78 degrees, and here come the 80s. Back to the 80s as we head on into the weekend with a slight rain chance in play for us on both Saturday and Sunday, only around 30%. So we'll see if that actually holds on in the forecast there. But overnight temperatures will start to become a bit more sticky for us, watching out for more of those lower 60s Friday and Saturday morning before seeing our numbers start to fall back off as we head on into next Monday and Tuesday.